Hendricks with the Black Sheep Reports, and today I want to talk about an article that says poor teens in Baltimore face worse conditions than those in Nigeria, Africa. Now, I first heard this on CNN by a liberal named Van Jones, and at first I thought it was full of shit. I thought, no way can this possibly be true. But I read the article anyway, and I was shocked. Now, the global study of low-income neighborhoods says that teenagers in Baltimore face worse conditions than their counterparts in Nigeria. Now, the 5 neighborhoods that was examined in the study, poverty was the common thread that linked them together. Now, the difference between the teens in the urban areas are obvious, but however, when it came to how they perceived their well-being was different. Now, the 2 cities showed the lowest of teenagers who felt safe in their neighborhoods. Now, the percentage ranged from 43.9% of males in Nigeria to a 66.1% among females in Baltimore. As the highest rate when it comes to witnessing violence, 8.9% and 7% among females in Nigeria. Now, 7% among males in Nigeria and 6% among females in Baltimore. Now, in Baltimore, teenagers exhibit high rates of mental health problems, drug abuse, sexual violence, and teen pregnancies in comparison to teens in Nigeria. Now, despite living in a much poorer country than the United States, they still show fewer signs of social behavior. The lead author of the study, a professor at Johns Hopkins Department of Population, Family, and Reproductive Health, said that the perception of how teenagers see their neighborhood has a large role in how they behave. For example, a young man in Nigeria and a young man in Baltimore both live in neighborhoods that are poor living conditions and little opportunity. But because a teen in Nigeria is able to see his environment in a more positive light, he is less likely to experience health problems. Now, in Baltimore, you do have a higher rate of teenagers that live in impoverished homes that grow up in single-parent homes. In many cases, the father is in prison. Now, while in Nigeria, both parents have lost their lives in many cases due to HIV or AIDS. Now, this has been James Hendricks with the Black Sheep Reports. Links are below. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook. Our page is Media on 9/11. Thank you.